So here, what we will see, it is very cool actually. You will be able to visualize your reference ligand inside the protein pockets, and also you will get to see all those residues with non-covalent interactions with your ligand. So the way that we work in Makya is to prioritize those interactions that are important for you. So the way that it works is we give a systems of weights. So the higher the weights, the most important the interaction is. So for example, here we have the region of the oxetane and the carboxylic acid from which we're going to start growing our fragments. So we're going to focus mostly in this area of the protein pockets, giving certain ways and certain interactions to drive the optimization of the molecules into that pockets. So to do so, here you will see me giving different kind of ways and deactivating certain interactions that are not important, or they are not in the place of the protein pocket that I want to target. So to do so, I am gonna increase the weight and deactivate those that are not important. So as you can see here now, the visualization of the residues that I gave a weight of 3 increases inside. So then I'm going to do the same with the pi stacking. Here I'm going to give an interaction 4 of this residue. Then another important thing that you can achieve with Makya is that if there are certain residues that they are not present in the interaction fingerprint that we are showing you here, you can actually add them. So